Welcome to the course tip using MATLAB, Digital Image Processing for Beginners. Digital image processing is the use of computer algorithms to create, process, communicate and display digital images. As MATLAB is a high-performance language for technical computing with powerful commands and syntax, it is widely used for the DIP. The main purpose of digital image processing is that the result is more fit than the initial image for a particular use. Digital image processing methods provide a number of choices for improving the visual quality of images, for example image enhancement, images segmentation, images restoration. Suitable selection of such methods is considerably controlled by the imaging modality, job at hand and viewing conditions. Digital image processing algorithms can be used to transform signals from an image sensor into digital images, increase clarity, and eliminate noise and other artifacts, obtain the size, scale, or number of objects in a picture, prepare images for display or printing, compress images for transfer across a network. By the end of the course, you will be able to perform digital image processing using MATLAB, learn M Function programming, perform intensity transformations, spatial filtering, frequency domain processing, image restoration and reconstruction and geometric transformations, color image processing, wavelets, morphological image processing, image segmentation. DIP using MATLAB certification is included in the course, which will be the proof of the new skills you own. 30 days money-back guarantee. This course comes with lifetime access, so you can enjoy the updates to this course without paying anything extra. You will also get a 30 days money-back guarantee by purchasing this course now. You are eligible for a full refund on this training within 30 days from purchase. All this great value at the most genuine price. Taking action and buying this course now is better than doing nothing.